Hey, good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to Project 650. Oh, I know, we live in a crazy world, a different world, and many of you are kind of stuck home months now, and I wasn't. I was actually still working both of my jobs, and as of a few days ago, I had to let one job go. I just couldn't deal with two jobs, both being essential, and yeah, it was just bearing on me hard. So had let one job go, so I will have some more time. I know it's gonna sound ridiculous. People without the job are gonna say we are with no jobs, but well, me being both the jobs, essential services. The hours were just crazy, and I was exposing myself to possibility of getting that corona thing, and something that I just cannot afford, because in that case I would definitely probably lose both the jobs. So anyway, that being said, moving on, today I want to show you how I installed my rigid spotlights. What I installed originally would be aux beam. I don't remember the model. Extremely cheap. I got a set online for I believe it was $40. But then you know what they say, you get what you pay for. From a company name Rago Fabrications. I really hope I'm pronouncing the Rago part correctly. But they are vehicle specific, and this was for a GX, of course. Oh, look at the little love bug. How cute. Now, let me get this open. The bracket actually goes and latches to the original hood bracket, and that's how you install that. On the top of that, this originally comes a little bit higher. What I did, I kind of flipped the light around, and doing it that way, I was able to get it like flat next to the foot. I know some of you are gonna ask, do you have that glare? Absolutely not. I don't know why. When the installation comes, well, this time I did something a little bit different. Now I should take this off to show you guys, but then it's not necessary, because I did something different. Instead of running the wires from the battery as a power supply and going through my firewall, what I decided to do, I did it this time with a remote control. So basically we don't have to puncture the hole and to get to the install a switch from to inside of the car. So avoiding that step, I went with something that I had actually laying around. There was a wiring system with a remote control. That would be the line that would actually go through the firewall, and with some kind of switch inside. So did not want to dig another hole through my firewall, so I went with this option, and works. So this installation was even easier than installing the light bar, original light bar, which was easy in his own way. Now, as you can see, taking this piece of plastic off and this piece of plastic, I was able to hide the wire pretty good. That's the original wiring that goes in, and then just as a protection, I did that. You guys remember that in the old-fashioned house phones back in the day. So it's just extra protection, because I know these can last long, and I did not want that wire exposed. Maybe sometime in the future I'm gonna cover this a little bit different way, but for now it's fine. And to get to this spotlight, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna try to point. That's the wire, the black wire on the top actually follows the pattern of original truck wiring, so it's pretty well hidden, so it looks pretty clean. and and that's about it. I mean, I can end the video right now. I mean, basically that's exactly what I did, which is pretty easy, especially not have to run the wiring through my firewall. Now, quick click of the remote, boom, this is what we get. And these are really bright. That's it for me, guys. For now, should be making more frequent videos now with one job less, but please be safe. Nothing is worth a human life, so hopefully this madness stops soon. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.